Thursday, October 2nd, 12:18 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. We're almost at the end of the first week of the new month. But since we already are in the new month, I want to look at the commodity, the category energy, natural gas. I've been doing a lot of trades the last few months, swing trades on natural gas. Give you some insight. I've been doing option trades on them, credit trades. Going to look at a top down. That means looking at multiple time frames, from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. This is a 20-year chart. Each candle is a month. Look at the huge trading range natural gas has done over the history of 20 years. Top left, the high for the past 20 years. And the bottom, the low. Big trading range. Going to put this now for 10 years. Again, each candle represents a month. There we go for 10 years. Very recently, there's a high, 2022. There's a low, 2020. And between 2023 and near the end of last year, we had this huge consolidation after a markdown sell-off. Now, we have another huge consolidation occurring up here. Can extend this out. There we go. So consolidation, breakout, consolidation, retracement. Lower this year, the high this year. We're currently on an upward trend. We already broke above the high of last month. So we're momentum trending to the upside. Potential areas we may retest. At those retests, we may have a pause, may have a reversal. So notice these three current candles, smaller trading ranges versus these huge volatility ones. Going to take it to the lower time frame. This is the weekly, 5-year chart, the weekly. Each candle is a week, obviously. This area, they were accumulations. Accumulation after the markdown. Here is this low. Consolidation, trend down, consolidation. Okay, blue line, swing low, blue line, swing low, making higher lows to the high of this year and the low of this year. So on that markdown phase here, we never went down to test it, this swing point, these swing points. Nope. And what we did here, this big green candle is referred to a bullish engulfing. Big green, almost solid body, very strong bullish candle. Engulf those. Well, again, buyers felt this was the value area to be buying. Since then, it's gone higher. This is an imbalance area, that red zone. We broke above it and currently above it. Again, this candle will be done close of Friday at 5 p.m. because it's a futures market. Very close to a swing point here. This is a key level. Key level. Be looking if we're going to have a rejection. If a rejection at trend reverse, well, then these filled to lure new buyers in. Again, we're at a key level, practically, looking for trades. Could be bullish or bearish. This would be a key factor. Yep. See how this goes. Now we're looking at the daily chart, 1-year daily chart. These blue areas were gaps. Well, that being said, again, here's the high for the year. I want to bring this to 6 months. There we go. 6-month daily chart. Yesterday, we tested the gap that was here. Today, we filled the gap. We crossed over it. So this is not valid anymore. Got to remove it. Right there, that swing point, key level to be looking for. Again, there were sellers up here, and the trend reverse went lower. That day, gap down, we tested it. This is forming right now. This candle will be done at 5 p.m., but right now it's forming a bearish pin bar. And here's a minor imbalance area. Gap here has not even been tested. This gap was tested, but hasn't been filled. Again, doesn't mean we're going to necessarily have to test this. We could reverse before testing this. That's why I had alerts go off already. Potential trade ideas. If one's bearish, one could be looking for doing the strategies of bearish short, as well as setting alerts, which I have for pullbacks at key levels for bullish trades. This may take days to occur. So see this huge consolidation? Things could play out like that over here. Or it could happen real fast, as you see here. Multiple days, panic selling. Let's take it to intraday. Now we're looking at the 4-hour for past 90 days. Here's the swing high right here. This is a key level I'm looking at. Potential reversal off of here. Very close to it. Again, here's these gaps. Have not been filled yet. Big gap here. It's not been filled yet. Zoom in and show you something for the past 5 days. Actually put it for the past 10 days. There we go. The past 10 days of natural gas. Consolidation. There was accumulation phase over here. Buyers are buying down here. Gap up here. Consolidation. Big impulse move up, strong. Another impulse move up. Nice. Overnight here, bull flag. This is the pole. This is the flag. Broke out nice. My concern is, again, these gaps down here have not been tested yet. Yep. Now, notice this again, this imbalance area. Tested it there. Buyer stepped in there, sweet spot. 1-hour chart. I'm going to load up the 4-hour drawing on the 1-hour chart and change it from 10 days to 5 days. Again, the drawings are from the higher time frame. So again, look at this. These are the drawings from the higher time frame, and that flagpole, the flag, bullish flag, nice. Bullish pin bars right here. Back to back. Strong move up. Nice opportunity. Whoever took the trade there for a day trade. Again, massive rejection up over here. And you can see coming down. This is the stock ETF, UNG, daily chart. Open up to the option chain. Here's the option stock ETF. Bid ask, nice, 1 penny wide, volume. Option chain, the nearest 45 days. Expires in 14 November, 93. Sorry, 14 November expires, 43 trading days. Yep, opportunities. That's it. Thank you as always, spending just a little time with it. Thanks for watching.